Financial planning shouldn't feel like an exclusive club, and it definitely shouldn't lock you into a path before an advisor even has all the data. We believe a great advisor's experience is exactly what clients are looking for. That's why the advice-only methodology welcomes that expertise, while ensuring every recommendation is delivered with complete objectivity. So how do we do it? It comes down to three key things. First, no predetermined outcomes. That's a huge deal. We don't start with an agenda or a sales pitch. We start with you, your goals, your data, your needs, and build a plan under a fiduciary agreement at the very first meeting. Second, a strict separation between planning and implementation. This means your plan stays free from subtle influences by design. We're not incentivized to sell a product, refer to a partner, or push a specific investment. Our only goal is to provide a plan that serves you. Finally, advisors bring their real-world experience to the table, but compensation rules keep it conflict-free. This is how you get the best of both worlds: seasoned expertise without ever worrying about hidden incentives. The result is powerful. You don't have to choose between advice from an experienced professional and advice that's truly objective. With the advice-only methodology, you can have both.